Most people between 50 and 80 are in cognitive decline. They have trouble remembering things as well as they used to. They get better judgment. You can get better understanding, but you're less likely to recite the whole Bible backwards and forwards. So you need to have new ways of enhancing your memory, learn how to work around your particular memory deficits. In one person, they're not so good at listening or remembering faces, but they're great at concentrating on a lot of information. So they write books, but they're not best at parties. So they ask their wife or their spouse or a friend to go with them and say, you remember that person? Or they get a BlackBerry and they load it in with pictures and names and you crib sheets. And then you take, there's some great things for memory. Resveratrol is amazing. You know, the funny thing, you know what I learned from all my alcoholics from the last 35 years? They come in with red wine, you know, 2 drinks, 3 drinks, 4 drinks. Their noses are big and their livers are terrible and they're filled with gallstones and kidney stones because they get dehydrated from the alcohol. But their memories are great. You know, they have esophageal cancer from the alcohol and smoking, but memory is great. You don't have to have that because, you know, Proverbs talks about, you know, a fool is a person who is intoxicated not with God, but intoxicated with wine. But you can get the power of red wine in resveratrol extracts, and you get the power of a group of eggs and caviar with choline extracts. You get the power of some Chinese herbs called huperzine that can actually work like a drug to improve memory. So we see massive memory reversals to the point where dementia patients that didn't talk, where people that were really confused have a new life.
Great.
And that's quality of life. That's really John 10:10 abundant life.